Hi everyone, today I want to share an application that is super useful and very important for all the Samsung smartphone users. If you're watching my channel for the very first time, it would be massively appreciated if you can hit that subscribe button and hit the like button if you find this video useful at some point. Okay, so have you ever noticed that out of the box there is no Samsung Music application in your phone? Well, that is because back in the day Samsung removed the Samsung Music Player from the One UI in favor of the Google Play Music, but later on the Google Play Music came to an end itself. So after that there was no music player and there hasn't been any music player in the Samsung smartphones since then. So whenever you get a music file in your phone now and you play it, it plays in a pop-up player like this. And I am sure most of you don't want this. So I'm going to tell you how you can get that native player back in your phone without running into any hassle. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to open the Google Play Store on your phone or the Galaxy Store if you just use that. And in the Play Store or the Galaxy Store, you just have to type Samsung Music. And boom, there you see the Samsung Music, the official Samsung Music application from the Samsung Electronics. You can just install it. And now you can open the Samsung Music Player. It will automatically detect all the MP3 music files in your device and it will list your music right here. And now you can just close the application and the music keeps playing in the background. If you just go to the file manager and you can see that we have the go to Samsung Music option here, which works very nicely. I would also like to tell you that if you are missing the video player in your phone, you can install the Samsung Video Player as well, just like you installed the Samsung Music Player. You can see that we have the Samsung Video Library right here. This is basically the video player for your Samsung smartphone. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed and liked this video. Let me know if you want to see more such applications being covered on my channel. If you want to see a number of Samsung applications that you must install and more One UI customization guides, drop your feedback in the comment section down below, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. With that being said, I will sign off and see you all in the next one.